I've never seen anything like what we're witnessing today.
Pandemic pushback across the country. From defying lockdown orders at this Etobicoke restaurant to crowding the streets at anti-mask rallies. A movement swelling with enough momentum to add to the second wave spikes.
Misinformation does cause people to not take precautions, to not wear masks, to not physical distance.
While it's one piece of protection, there's no mask that can keep people safe from what the World Health Organization is calling an infodemic. It says while social media is keeping people safe and informed, it warns the same technology is undermining global response.
Let's go, Adam!
And science educators have pretty much given up on trying to change these crowds' minds.
The general public should always be your audience because it's very hard to change the minds of individuals who have really embraced the conspiracy theories. It's become part of their personal identity.
And some are attaching themselves to the anti-mask and lockdown protests.
But when you mix that in with hatred and white nationalism and all that other garbage, it turns into something decrepit.
This rally had appearances from what the Canadian Anti-Hate Network identifies as a white supremacist. And Friday, the co-founder of Alberta's Wexit reportedly travels to Ontario to join supporters, the same man who incited violence before the anti-racism rally in Red Deer.
And if you come into my rural communities, I'm going to be this big guy in the white shirt.
Most of the anti-maskers are not haters. They just hate wearing a mask for some reason. But there is a significant number who travel in both worlds and see this as very much as an opportunity to get their hate message out while piggybacking on this movement.
And it's not just a challenge to keep people following various lockdowns and restrictions across the country.
I'm also worried that once the vaccines start rolling, that everyone's going to get complacent. No, we have to stay vigilant until we get enough of the population vaccinated.
In Calgary, Crystal Ladaris, City News.
We need to go back and duplicate what we did in the spring, and we need to do it today.